Paano naman pag independent contractor? Ano yung kaibahan? Ano yung setup? If yung mga team members mo, i-hire mo sila and sila ay independent contractor sa'yo, ikaw ay client nila. Hindi ka nila employer, client ka nila. Dahil client ka nila, walang any government agency sa Pilipinas that regulates that kind of relationship. Apart from, syempre, yung batas natin about how you deal with contracts and agreements. Pero in terms of agency ng gobyerno, walang regulating department. Also, you are not required to give mandatory benefits to your independent contractor. So yung SSS, PhilHealth, Pag-ibig, hindi mo siya required bigay sa mga independent contractors mo. Also, yung mga independent contractors mo,